Sie kann ja auch Nachbarn anrufen, also kann ja irgendjemanden anrufen.
What is this woman doing there? Why is this one doing that?
Hello, sir.
What is that?
I feel very sorry, but this is a handicap parking place.
Handicap parking place.
Yeah, handicap parking place.
The car is handicapped.
You have to get a fine.
This car is handicapped. Don't you see it is urinating? The car is urinating. It's urinating smoke. So the car is handicapped from where we are coming from. It's not driving more than 60 kilometers. When a car is not driving more than 60 kilometers an hour, it's handicapped. Now, see me see trouble with this woman. Eh? Imagine the likeness. Handicap. When something is not working well, like a human being, the thing is handicapped. So the car is also handicapped. But if your wife is not working well, is she not handicapped? She's handicapped. If your man is not working well at home, is he not handicapped? He is handicapped. Whatever that is around you that is not working well is a handicap. If the system of your education is not working well, it is a handicap. Eh? If NEPA is not supplying the required electricity, they are handicapped. Eh? If your kitchen is not working well and the man is not getting his food at the right time when he's supposed to eat, the kitchen is handicapped. Eh? What do you mean? We can also check it. Take it or not. Buy any.
Oh my god, you're hilarious.